Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on recording the front and back cameras at the same time on Android phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing you need to do is open up the Play Store on your phone and search for and download the app called Dual Camera Front and Back Camera. Open the app once it has downloaded. Note that this app will only work on phones with a Snapdragon processor. Tap the camera button and then accept the permissions. It will open in the photo mode. You can tap the photo icon to take a photo out of both cameras at the same time. The photo will save to your phone's gallery. To record a video, tap on the video icon in the bottom right corner to change to video mode. Then tap the video icon in the bottom center and record your video. To view your photos and videos, open your phone's gallery app. In the gallery, you can see that there are 3 recordings saved. The dual recording is the most recent, but it also saves the front and back camera videos individually. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.